What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include 1. Learning, acquiring data and rules. 2. Reasoning, using rules to reach conclusions. 3. Self-correction. Simple definition. AI is when machines can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Real-life examples. Google Maps, route planning. Chatbots, customer support. Netflix, recommendations. Siri or Alexa, voice assistants. Brief history. 1950s, Alan Turing introduces the idea of machines thinking. 1956, the term AI coined at Dartmouth Conference. 1980s to 2000s, AI winters due to low funding. 2010, today, boom in AI due to big data, computing power, and deep learning. The 3 types of AI. AI comes in 3 main types. Let's break them down. 1. Narrow AI, or known as weak AI. This is the AI we use today. Narrow AI is designed to do one specific task, like recognizing speech, recommending videos, or driving a car. It's powerful, but it can't think outside its lane. 2. General AI, also known as strong AI. Now imagine a machine that can learn, reason, and solve problems just like a human. That's general AI. It doesn't exist yet, but scientists are working on it. 3. Super AI. Super AI would be smarter than all humans combined. It would outperform us in creativity, problem-solving, and emotions. Sounds like sci-fi, right? That's because it is for now. But it raises big ethical questions about control and safety. Real-world applications of AI. AI isn't just for tech giants. It's transforming every industry. Let's take a quick tour. Healthcare. AI detects diseases like cancer from scans. Virtual health assistants answer patient questions. Personalized treatments based on your DNA. Finance. AI spots fraud in real time. Powers robo-advisors. Helps make smarter trading decisions. Retail. AI recommends what you'll love. Runs customer service bots. Even predicts what will be in demand next. Transportation. Self-driving technology. Route optimization. Smart traffic management. Education. Personalized learning paths. AI tutors and grading. Language learning tools. Agriculture. AI drones monitor crops. Predict weather and harvests. Automate irrigation systems. Where have you seen AI in your daily life? We're going to learn AI from scratch to expert level. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI breakdowns, lessons, and Python programming for beginners. Don't forget to comment below the lesson you would like to see next. See you in the next one.